What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy Dio coming at you guys with another review. Today we're going to be looking at a pair of Jordan 1s that are part of the noise canceling pack by Nigel Sylvester. But before we get into that, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into it. So as you guys can see, I did not get a box lid with these. I've had these for a little while. I haven't really worn them that much. They're a super interesting shoe to me, but I don't know. I don't know if I really would like to customize them or just keep them white. You guys can see there is some creases around here. I did say these were part of the noise canceling pack, so they had multiple of these. There was like a pair of Air Forces, Cortezes. I think there was a pair of Kobe 1s. And the whole idea is just like pretty much to customize your own shoe. So like you can take this swoosh off, which I don't know if once you take it off, I don't think you can put it back on. I'm not too positive. You can also do this on the tongue. Let's see if I can show you guys. This comes off right here, and I can show you this whole thing, which is super interesting. And it's kind of like your own custom ID Jordan 1 if you'd like to. I don't know if the materials are crazy enough for me to want to do something. I also don't know what I would do to these. It is like a cool concept for some people that are a little more artistic than me, but personally I've just been rocking them all white. You guys can see a full shoe. Something that they're super thin. That's another thing as well. Like they fit. They're not like that comfortable compared to like a normal Jordan 1. I don't feel like they have as much padding. And this is just, like I said, super thin. And it's kind of curling a little bit, which looks not too good, but you don't really see that in the Jordan 1. And then also, like I said, this material right here, crease super easy. I have crease protectors on it, trying to stop it. I don't know if I can iron these out. I probably could. Kind of more I'm looking at it, I probably could do that, but I just haven't really attempted it. Material on these is not crazy. I think really the biggest aspect of these is just being able to customize them. Because it kind of looks like an unfinished product. By the swoosh, it says to peel before play. So that's just kind of the whole concept with that. I don't know how I personally feel about it. I don't know if I would take them off, like I said. There's also these little stoppers right here that you can put back in, get it a little tighter if you feel like it's getting loose, because it will get loose. Start to fill up a little bit if you guys can see on this shoe. And you can just tighten it back and then push the little plastics down. These are the only laces I got with them. I picked them up from a bro. I did not get these retail. We sold them for about like $110 or $120. I've had them ever since. They've kind of sat for a while. I've worn these probably 2 or 3 times. Nothing too crazy. This is a little bit older of a release. These released in like 2018. So they've been around for a while. And they're actually starting to climb up in price, because when I got these, they weren't really going for that much. I think they were going for like $150, $160. But now I've seen some going for like $400, $500. I don't know if that shoe is personally worth that. And honestly, I think if someone offered me around that price for these, I definitely would sell them. But they are like a super cool idea, and maybe one day I will try to customize them, but for right now, I just got them all white. They do need a little bit of cleaning. You can see it kind of got a little blue in the midsole. I'm sure I can get everything cleaned up, but I just really haven't paid too much attention to these. I kind of put them in a box and just let them sit. I don't know if these came with any extra laces. I haven't really seen any unboxing of these or really much about these. As you can see, there's a hole right here from this, and then also like a little cut right here. I guess if you could add like extra materials to it, it'd be kind of dope, kind of deconstruct and put it back together. So let me know what you guys think. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I try to bring you guys a little bit of different content. Would you guys have copped these, or do you guys have these? Do you customize them? Also, what does it look like underneath here? I'd actually be super interested to see. I haven't really seen anyone pull off the swoosh. So there's a bunch of questions. That's the only reason I haven't done it. I don't know if I can pull it off and then put it back in, because the way the threading looks like, it looks like once you do it once, you're not going to be able to get it back, because I don't think you're going to be able to loop it back through. So like I said, let me know what you guys think. Hope you guys really enjoyed the video. I will drop the product link for you guys below, and I will also go try and update a video. So like I said, thank you guys for watching. I'm out.
One true light shine.